spend time in Zikr. The ideal time for Zikr is after. Alright, another thing with regards to Salah is every one of you should definitely make it a point not to miss your Fajr and your Isha by Jamaat. Do your Fajr and do your Isha by Jamaat. The one who does Isha and Fajr with Jamaat is as the one who has prayed the entire night. So do your Isha and do your Fajr with Jamaat, and after you are done with the Fajr Jamaat, stay in the masjid till Ishraq, and during that time do your Zikr. Spend time in Muraqabah. Spend time in Muraqabah. If you haven't learned Muraqabah till now, figure out how to do it, learn how to do it, ask me, I'll clarify, but learn how to do Muraqabah and do your Muraqabah. And if after that or before that you have some time, do your istighfar, do your Durood Sharif as well. Okay? So Zikr is another thing that you should do. How many things have we talked about so far now? We talked about spending in the path of Allah, talked about Quran, we talked about voluntary prayers. In Quran we talked about Taraweeh as well, we talked about voluntary prayers, we talked about doing qazas, we talked about praying by Jamaat, we talked about sitting till Ishraq and doing the Askar, Muraqabah, Astaghfar and your Durood.